He's just difficult to live with sometimes. He's my friend.
What's going on?
I found you. Overdosed.
What? He loves you. He tolerates me. But I'm fine with it. At least I get to do what I want.
I wish my illness hadn't come between the two of you the way that it has.
Landon, don't. You can't help that you're sick. But Dad can help that he's a jerk.
What is it?
Nothing, just a weird noise.
Hey!
You jerk!
I'm sorry, Katie told me to do it.
That was not funny!
You forget how to talk? You gotta find your own place. I'm moving. My mom wants to move back 2 counties over. I don't want to live with my uncle anymore. I have to get a job and... Well, I was thinking you could come with me.